start immediately. Substack is growing like crazy. Just recently, it reached 5 million subscribers, paying subscribers, 5 million paying subscribers. And it's really, and if you look at that curve here, how steep it is, and it's steeper, it's really, it's not just momentum, it's exploding currently. So you really want to be on Substack right now. The problem, if I can call it a problem, is that it's actually reaching maturity, because that's the curve of any platform and any product and any solution that you launch on the market. In the beginning, it's not growing, and then it starts growing really, really fast, which is Substack doing currently right now. And then it's reaching momentum and maturity, and then starts to slow down and decline. And if you take a look at the graphs of the growth graphs of the traffic, that's monthly traffic from statistics from SEMrush, you will see that it took Medium about 4 to 5 years to reach momentum and maturity, and then it slowly started to decline. And yes, there were some measures last year to in 2024 to restore the growth, and they restored the growth, but then it started to decline again. So it's really a maintenance of the volumes, and not so much exponential growth. Substack is closing to the end of this 4th year and entering actually the 5th year. So I really believe that we are really close to maturity. So it's really, really important to be on Substack right now and take advantage of this moment and leverage that growth. And it's really, I wouldn't say it's I wouldn't call it taking an advantage, because it's a business model that works in both ways, for the creators and also for Substack. It's built for us to grow together. And it's really getting to a moment where, so what happens when it reaches this maturity? I believe, and it's already visible. You can sense that when new people start a Substack, it's getting harder and harder to them to gain visibility and to gain that momentum of growth. When I first started on Substack, it took me about so I had to only post just one note in order to be able to grow about 10 subscribers per day. Now I have to post much more notes. So I have to go beyond that. And it's new people that are coming from the platform are also sharing this to me. So it's getting more and more difficult. I believe we will never reach the situation and the frustration that you can get out of social media, just because the business model of social media is built on top of paid advertising. So platforms like Facebook and Instagram and X and also LinkedIn, they are intentionally depriving you from visibility and discoverability, because they want you to pay and to boost your post and to pay for advertising and for visibility and for impressions. Substack, at least for now, the owners are sharing and stating clearly that they will not go into paid advertising model. And they want to stay with the paid subscription model and keep the platform clean of those practices of social media. And it's really important to be so Substack is the only place to be right now, because of so many reasons. It's just unique. You can convert with a high conversion rate. You can grow organically, and you can grow your email list organically, and so fast. Thousands of new subscribers per month. You can, and once you gain momentum, once you gain enough recommendations, this growth actually accelerates even more. So there are people with the bigger newsletters. They are growing thousands of new subscribers per month, and that's really, it's not an exception. That's the rule. You have to, if you want to know whether you grow well or not, that's the metric that you want to track. So if everybody else is growing with thousands of new subscribers per month and you are not, so you have to change something because you are falling behind. Actually, it's not that they are some kind of exception and you are the normal. It's not like that. They are the normal, and you are most probably falling behind. That's how Substack grows. It's really unique. And it's also a future-proof model because the creator economy, the whole creator economy, is moving towards paid subscriptions, and also the news and the media economy. So Substack is really the place to be right now.